Introducing the Geberit Rimfree WCs. Meeting the highest demands of hygiene and design. Looking at traditional toilets, the rim is a hard-to-reach place where germs, dirt and deposits usually collect. Geberit Rimfree WCs are designed entirely without a flush rim. The patented flush technology achieves a powerful and complete flush without spilling over. Optimum flush performance, even with lower flush volumes. And the rimless design makes cleaning simpler. Functional design at its best. Taking rimless to the next stage. Geberit Rimfree WCs.